Welcome to NASA's Summer Sizzle at New Jersey Motorsports Park, where drivers from the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic converge for wheel-to-wheel racing, time trials, and testing. This weekend, the E36 and I are in good company as we meet up with fellow SPEC3 racers and get a close-up look at wheel-to-wheel racing.
All right, we're in session 2 of HPDE Group 3 on Saturday here at NJMP. Pretty freaking hot out. We're just trying to get some laps, shake down the car, hang with the SPEC3 guys. It's a good time. Really no pressure to be here. Just hanging out. fun. Gliding?
Over there. Oh, I see you just go.
So that was a lot of fun. Those few laps felt good, but there is definitely a lot of room for improvement, particularly when it comes to braking zones. It felt like there's definitely some places where I can brake later and harder despite not having ABS. In turn 3, I think I can definitely go flat out there and carry some more speed going into turn 4. That being said, it's time to set our sights on SPEC3. SPEC3 is based on one of the most popular racing chassis of all time, the BMW E36. And believe it or not, these race cars utilize mostly OEM components. Every single one of these sports an unmodified M50 stock drivetrain and 3.15 limited slip diffs. Now, it's only been one day, but it's already been extremely encouraging to be in the paddock with these guys. The group has been extremely welcoming and supportive, but it's also made me realize that my car isn't that far off. Once I get the suspension and safety equipment squared away, this car is going to be ready to go. SPEC3 is one of the fastest growing classes in the country, and for good reason. The strict rule set creates a level playing field, promoting some extremely close racing. So sit back, grab some popcorn, and experience for yourself what racing in this class is all about. NASA's multi-class race format definitely adds some additional excitement to that. And seeing these guys weave through traffic while also managing their own race was certainly entertaining. When they got into a rhythm, it simply seemed like these cars could do this all day. My motivation to get this car done is at an all-time high, so it's time to get to it. Thanks for watching.
Little bumping?
Yeah, I say this one's gonna get a real close-up
Hell yeah.
of coming through the octopus and just like dun, 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 dun.